Other news now, the UK takes another step towards Brexit today as MPs debate the European Union withdrawal bill before a vote takes place on Monday. Let's go straight to our political correspondent Chris Mason in Westminster. Ahead of those discussions today, Chris, it's such an important piece of legislation, this, and there's quite a big row developing around it.
Yeah, there is. Good morning to you, Charlie. When people like me stand on patches of grass like this and talk about constitutional change, it has the potential to be a tad dull, doesn't it? But this is absolutely huge in its significance. The biggest constitutional change, in other words, the way that we are governed since October 1972, when we signed up to what is now the European Union in the first place. The challenge that the government now faces is unravelling that. Effectively, what happened back then in 1972 is a pipe was built from here to Brussels and laws flowed through it from Brussels to here. 12,433 regulations in total. And the government has to work out what it's going to do, and it's concluded that everything changes but nothing changes. In other words, everything is going to get copied over in one go. The challenge for the government of this is it doesn't give much chance for scrutiny of what they are doing. This is why Labour and some others don't like it. The use of what are known as Henry VIII powers, dating all the way back to 1539. Now, this has nothing to do with his penchant for heading down the aisle or one or two X's that met a sticky end. Instead, it was a power that he had effectively to make law without it being challenged. Now, the government says it won't abuse this power. There's effectively a 2-year limit on its use, which means it'll probably expire in around March 2021. But it's one of the key reasons why a number of the opposition parties are likely to vote against it. Government isn't likely to struggle at this stage of this bill's passage through Parliament. There'll be debate today and a vote on Monday, but this is going to dominate the work of Westminster for months to come.
Chris, we'll be back with you later on. For the moment, thank you. Just remind us, well,